AJ.
I'm Austin.
You're watching
Love's
Lifestyle.
So what are we making today, guys?
Snowflake.
A snowflake
Out of hangers.
out of plastic hangers.
Out of plastic hangers. Okay.
And a star made out of it.
Nope, not making a star, just a snowflake. Nice try though. So here we have a box of 50. You can get the plastic hangers from the Dollar Tree. They come in a package of 7 for obviously $1. I think they're going up to $1.25, but this is a pack of 50 at Walmart, and I think I paid just under $6. It was like $5. It's like $5.95 or something. So yeah, it's not a bad price. So you're gonna need about 18 hangers to make this snowflake. Okay, so let's go ahead and start making this snowflake. We also have some cable ties, is what they call them here. They're zip ties, I call them zip ties. So I got those from Walmart. They're about just over $2. For the first layer of your snowflake, you're going to need 8 coat hangers. You're going to need 4 sets of 2. So you take 2 coat hangers and place them flat side to flat side. And make sure that the hook ends are facing out on each one. At this point, you're going to want to lay them together as pictured, and you might have to maneuver them a little bit in order to find the right shape that you're looking for. Once you have arranged your coat hangers and set them so that they are giving you a nice first layer for your snowflake, you can go ahead and start zip tying. But it's very important to not, and I cannot stress this enough, do not tighten the zip ties to the point where you cannot maneuver the coat hangers around, because later on, as you're adding the layers, it's going to be very important to be able to adjust things as you go. You might not have to add as much zip ties as I did. I just went ahead and every area where the coat hangers were touching, I put like 2 on each flat side and put 1 where the hook end was, but it's better to be safe than sorry, because if you start bumping things, it could throw it out of whack. Now that your first layer is made, start adding the second layer. And you do so by overlapping the first. So your rounded hook ends on the top layer are going to be touching the flat parts of the first layer. After you have everything lined up, you can go ahead and start zip tying the top layer to the second layer until you form a beautiful snowflake. Repeat the process as you go around the entire snowflake until you have an entire top layer completed. Now that your snowflake is complete, you can go ahead and tighten all of the zip ties and clip off the ends for a nice finished look. You can add battery operated Christmas lights or just simple embellishments if you'd like, or leave it plain, just like I like it here. Okay, so this is our finished product, people. This is our snowflake.
And it looks pretty nice.
What was being
Can't wait to hang it right on top of our house.
On top of our house.
Right in the middle of our house.
I actually like the second layer to be the outside. You can do it either way, depending on how you like it to look. So that is the finished snowflake. What did you boys think about the project?
It was pretty nice, but we actually could make it into a pill if we actually connected both of those and then zip tied the bottom.
Make it a what?
We actually could make it. We actually could just fold.
Mommy, I liked it.
We could fold up it and then it would look just like a butterfly flying up in the air.
Absolutely, that's pretty cool, huh?
If it
It's really
actually
working for me. Okay, I'm pretty happy. Like I said, you can get the hangers, 7 of them for $1 or $1.25, whatever they go up to, at the Dollar Tree. You need a total of 16 to make this. And thank you everybody for watching. Have a great night. Merry Christmas.
Mm-hmm.